When the students graduate from senior school, they must meet the expectations that will be set to join the universities. So as a State Department for Higher Education, we are working collaboratively with international partners and our local experts to develop a competency-based education and training framework. This framework is holistic. It defines the profile of the student to enter university to undertake various programs. The new funding model, popularly known as the student-centered funding model, because it supports students directly rather than sending block funding to universities, is no longer the elephant in the room. It is the transformation in funding university education. This model is resilient. It has withstood all the pressures and stood up to shine. And I'll tell you what, Spokes, this year, after the refinement of the model, there was not a single appeal. All the students were satisfied with their allocation.